Hi everyone, this is Chris from ICN, and welcome to a new development update from the Impossible Cloud Network team. As we get closer and closer to our launch, we're also moving closer to bringing that vision to reality. Today, we want to share with you our roadmap for the coming days and how we intend to achieve that vision. If you missed our session on ICN's vision, please do check it out. We have a lot of things planned and not much time, so let's see what's to come for 2025. Our most imminent milestone is the initiation of the Hypernode network. The Hypernode network is a key piece of the ICN protocol. It is the nexus of security and the glue that keeps the protocol operational. And we will finally be initiating a launchpad for the Hypernodes and enable the community to begin staking. ICN link holders will be able to link to Hypernodes and add security to the network. This initiation phase will allow the community to begin connecting to our protocol and pre-stake. This phase will be about consolidating the security of the Hypernodes and giving the community the opportunity to come online prior to the full protocol launch, where rewards will be activated. This initiation launch is a key step in helping us bootstrap the ICN protocol. Our next big milestone is the full launch of the ICN protocol. Here, all protocol functionality will be live at all layers. Firstly, we'll finally be bringing the decentralized scaler nodes online, where they'll be able to provide resources to the hardware constellations in our network. At this stage, we'll be activating the storage constellation, enabling access to storage capabilities of our hardware network. The application and service layer will finally be storage enabled, allowing providers to deploy their storage-specific applications on our decentralized hardware. At this point, the initiation phase for the Hypernode network will conclude, and it will converge with our main protocol. The security amassed in the Hypernodes during the initiation phase will finally be activated and begin securing the scaler nodes in the storage constellation. Here, the community can help contribute to the protocol in two ways: the staking of scaler nodes and the continued staking of Hypernodes. Each scaler node is secured through collateral that is rewarded for good behavior and punished for bad behavior. The Hypernode network monitoring of scaler nodes will be rewarded for work done in ensuring that the scaler nodes are operating as expected. As ecosystem participants, entities can join the protocol as a provider of scaler nodes to help grow their network resources, or as a deployer at the application and service layer to start utilizing our highly performant decentralized hardware. At this key launch milestone, the ICN protocol will begin paying out rewards to the core contributors of the ecosystem, both to the stakers of the protocol and to the providers of the infrastructure. Without this economic layer and the contribution of the decentralized community, the protocol would not be able to function. We need all your help to make sure that ICN will become the network infrastructure of the future. Once the network is launched, what comes next? We will be continuing to improve the key parts of the ICN protocol, and that starts with the Hypernode network. We'll be targeting a deep decentralization step for the Hypernode network to make sure that the availability and monitoring capabilities can remain as secure as possible. This means enabling our Hypernodes to be operated from all parts of the globe and enhancing their coverage to support a deeper hardware network. The next big goal for ICN is what we call protocol hardening. Now that the protocol will be online for some time, we'll need to make sure that the system functions as expected and that the network is ready for further expansion and growth. Here, we'll ensure that the security guarantees of the protocol remain robust. Our focus will be in creating a set of mechanisms that can adapt as we prepare for the launch of a new hardware constellation. Economic incentives will be improved to better reward the key contributors for a healthy network. And that moves us on to our final milestone for this year, the expansion of the hardware network. The goal for ICN was always to become a multi-capable resource network, and storage was only the beginning. We focused first on delivering a secure data storage layer, but now we'll need more. At this stage, we'll target a new key constellation in the compute hardware class. This will provide a new resource primitive to be exposed at the application and service layer. Crucially, it unlocks new composability options to enable the deployers of applications to access more configurable resource capabilities. Alongside this, we are always pursuing a continuous expansion of the hardware network in all active constellations. We want to provide deep network capabilities and broad access so that protocol is live and available everywhere and always. Now, what comes beyond? The future is in our hands. As the community grows and the network continues to expand, it's clear what's next for ICN. Our vision remains the same, to become the foundational layer for the next generation internet, and we'll continue to aim for that North Star. Thanks for joining me, and join us in the next development update.